三基地の皆さん、こんにちは。 TK 土屋圭一です。航空自衛隊の方もいらっしゃるということで、この三沢基地で皆さんにね見ていただくアライブフーンですけれども、皆さんは今までこう僕のことを認知しているのは、イニシャル D であるとかワイルドスピードの東京ドリフトですとかね、そういったものでご覧になっていただけたと思います。そういう映画に関わってきて、やっぱり今回のアライブフーンに関して、僕らなりに皆さんにリアルに見てほしい、リアルを感じてほしいということで、下山さんに注文を出したのは、監督に注文出すのはちょっとおこがましいんですけれども、リアルでやってほしい。走りに関して絶対 CG は使わないでほしい。そこでやっぱり我々も本物のレースで使ってる車両を持ち込むと。でドライバーに関しては二流は使いませんと。一流ドライバーだけ揃えて、リアルな映像を皆さんにお届けしたいということで、下山監督にも了解を得てもらいました。そういった思いがこの映画には詰まってます。やっぱりこう内容としてはゲーマーが、ゲーマーといっても、みんな10年ぐらい前だと引きこもりって言われてたんですね。そういった人たちを世の中に出す夢を与える映画にもなってます。どうぞ皆さんが、アジアではもうこの映画大爆発してるんですけれども、皆さんがご覧になっていろんなところでアメリカ本土の方にもつぶやいていただければ、アメリカの皆さんにも見ていただけるんじゃないかなと思いますので、どうぞごゆっくりご覧になってください。
Crazy, man. All right, guys, so not getting too much into it. Been up for 2 days now, so got Jerry pulling in full-wheel drive mode. I'm about to go to do the first showing, and it's been since October we've been putting this thing together and everything, so it's cool to see people coming out even though it's wet outside. How's it going, man?
後追いに隙を与えなかった大場浩一、逃げ切れるか。さあこの割合で先行斉藤大吾は後追い大場浩一。さあ大場浩一、これは斉藤大吾を詰めることができるんでしょうか。左が S 字から飛び出してくる。
I think it's a great movie. It actually makes me want to go out. Actually, because I have Gran Turismo also, so I actually want to go home, get on the sim, put my VR headset on, drift, and then once the snow goes away, go take my FD out to MSP and try it out. Because I'm a little old school drifting, so I haven't done it too much, but it's a great movie.
Yeah.
You like that movie?
Oh yeah, I like the movie. It was really good. Kakoi.
Which part did you like the best?
I liked seeing when the team was coming together and starting to talk to each other. So that reminds me of why I like drifting, the camaraderie that comes with it. And that's my favorite part of the movie.
What do you like?
Well, I have a lot of cars, but I really like GZX 100s.
I really like the episode part because I like seeing the jump and like because I've driven on that course before. I drifted on that course
at the ending where he was trying to get there and trying to win.
I never thought I'd be interested in anything like drifting, but this was really exciting for me and I appreciate the opportunity. I think it opened up my horizon a lot more. I think I'll be going to more. hopefully action races to see in action. But thank you for everything that you've done. This was amazing.
Great movie. We loved it. It's not something we normally would get into, but we enjoyed that. We definitely go to other movies. If we had to make more movies, we'll watch those, definitely.
Hi, my name is Mason Roberts. I work with the U.S. Air Force as crew chief. I drive a 2005 Nissan Fairlady Z, and this movie, AliveHoon, I thought was amazing. Movie was well edited, well put together, and I haven't seen anything better than this since back in the Fast and Furious days. These are movies I would love to see again. Overall hype was just up there. 10 out of 10 recommend this movie. The soundtrack to it was great. The overall just level of enthusiasm that was put into it, I could see that they wanted to have this movie successful. This movie is beautiful. It wants myself to go and drift with my car. I know I'm not no drifter, but hey, I got that spirit in my heart, and I know that's what that movie was out here to preach. I recommend this to all my friends and family, and I'll post up later for it. You're doing like baby logs now, man.
My name is Steven Roper. I currently drive a 2001 Subaru WRX. And then back in America, I have a 1967 Ford Mustang. When I first saw that this movie was coming out, I thought it was going to be amazing. I didn't know what it was about, but I was like, hey, I got to figure out a way to see it. And then I saw that they're putting it on here, and it blew me away. It reminded me of watching like actual like Formula Drift events. Like I used to stream on my phone or whatever. All the drones and all the cameras, no CGI or anything. It was stunning, really beautiful. Yeah, makes me want to go slide some cars around.
What do you drive, sir?
2 Soviets and a chaser.
Do you drift?
Hi.
Where do you drift?
Track. Track only.
Okay. Thank you.
これ、自分の車です。シルビア ST 乗ってます。ウィングついてるじゃないですか。はい、ついてます。
Alright guys, wrapping up here at the Misawa Community Commons. It was a decent turnout. The weather was not on outside today. I had a good amount of cars there, as you guys can see, as far as the sports cars, and it's kind of cool, fitting because the video features JZX chassis, S15, and S15 is there's a bunch of JZX out there, a couple Mark IIs, I think a Cresta. So yeah, man, it was pretty cool, and an S15 as well. Got 2 S15s. So it was a cool turnout. I'm tired as hell. I've been out for about 2 days, so I'm gonna get home and I get some rest and everything. So those are. Yeah, we're gonna actually show the movie again. Ten-san said we have permission to show the movie again. So next time, again, it wasn't really short notice with the movie, but I only used by Facebook. Yahoo kind of came in later, and then I guess when Yahoo came, all people already had plans. So we're gonna do this again. I want to pack, next time I want to get it packed in there, because this one I kind of get a lot of people in there to experience the thing at the same time, and I can see the reaction from the people that did come. I think we had about maybe, of us say collectively, maybe 45, 50 people come out, so that's all good, still cool. 50 people gave us our time. Ten-san was very appreciative and extends his thank you to the guys here in Misawa. So again, good turnout for the AliveHoon screening here at Misawa Air Base. For Community Commons, I want to thank also the Community Commons staff for allowing us to put this on, and they've been awesome. And definitely support the Community Commons Center and support the Misawa guys here. So again, it's going to be Dice signing off from Misawa, Japan. Pinku Style. See you guys later. Peace.